Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess quickly. To begin, focus on rapid piece development. Get your knights and bishops out efficiently, aiming to control the center of the board. Castling your king early, ideally within the first 7 to 10 moves, is crucial for its safety and to connect your rooks. This foundational approach sets you up for a strong and swift game. For efficient opening moves, always prioritize developing your knights and bishops before bringing out your queen. Try to move each piece only once in the opening phase to maximize your development speed. Avoid making more than 2 or 3 pawn moves initially, as excessive pawn pushes can slow down your overall piece activity. This strategy helps you gain a significant time advantage. In the mid-game, actively seek out tactical opportunities such as forks, pins, and skewers to gain an advantage. Consider exchanging pieces when it simplifies the position in your favor or leads to a material gain. Always strive to keep your pieces active and look for open lines for your rooks, as this increases their power and potential for attack. For swift endgame play, focus on pushing your passed pawns quickly to promote them, ideally to a queen. Your king becomes a powerful attacking and defending piece in the endgame, so use it actively to support your pawns. Simplifying the position by exchanging pieces can help you convert a material advantage efficiently, leading to a quicker victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.